Here we go, guys. This is Expedition GeForce at Holiday Park in Germany. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
And if you only watch the Onride video of this coaster, I recommend that you watch the full vlog here from Holiday Park that we are recording today. This is the first out of 4 coasters that we're gonna ride today in this park. This number 7 of today though. Here we go! Expedition GeForce with Horizon Lock. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Wow! This is such a good roller coaster. Oh my god, yes!
So great.
That was Expedition GeForce. That was so good. That's a fantastic roller coaster. Woo. I think that's going to look great with the Horizon Lock.
Yes.
I think it's gonna look really nice.
The view and see the whole park.
Yeah. That was such a good coaster. We also have a Premier Rides launch coaster in this park. I don't remember the name, but it's like Tigris at Busch Gardens if you have been there.